For most people, 2020 has been a terrible year, but for George4All, this might have been one of the best years ever. So without much further ado, let's get on with the video. We will start off with hardware. We first off upgrade our phone from a Galaxy J6 to an iPhone SE 2020 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro. We upgrade our Galaxy Tab 8 to an iPad 8th generation. We upgrade our laptop from an HP Pavilion to a Clevo-Computers USB. Also, ever since upgrading our phones, we have technically upgraded our camera since we use our phones as cameras, so that means we got way better quality. We also have way better lights now, and we script our videos. Before I finish this video, I want to thank you all for the support. We have grown to around 200 subscribers in 3 years, but in a couple of weeks we've grown to 600 subscribers, so thank you all for the support. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. You know what you should do. If you like this video, subscribe. This took forever to make, and I'll catch you later.